YouTube, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks coming back at you in the shoebox. I hope everyone's enjoying this Wednesday wherever you are. Enjoy your day. Blessings to you and your family. So look, we're not gonna hold you up. I got some heat. The Breds, I got the Breds. The Breds are in the building. Excuse me, in the building. The 2019, the fours. OG colorway. This pair haven't came out since 1999 as far as the OG. I know other pairs came out, like in 12 and 2016. But nothing like this pair. 1999, your boy still was in high school, so that's kind of let you know my age. 20 years later, Jordan brand still coming strong, still dropping classic heats. I love this pair. I haven't even opened up the box yet. Box right here. Box right here. So you know what? Let's get right into it. We're going to unbox them. You see my reaction. Nike, what's up with this tape? Let me tell y'all about this Just Do It tape. You leaving stuff. You lucky I know my UPS guy. He actually calls me when my delivery is on the way. I knew this morning. I ordered this Monday at 6:20, 6:15. When everybody got that exclusive access, quote unquote, it crashed. I didn't want to post a video. But I got them. I want to actually have it in hand for y'all, fam. So let's get it. Just Do It tape. Y'all stop it. Sheesh. Set that right there. Let me check my paperwork. Y'all forgive me. It's me. That's me. Me and Maddie on deck. Okay. Box, flight. Don't worry, I'm gonna hit the wall. I'm gonna hit the wall. We're gonna get a detailed review. And we gonna wake the dead. I ain't got this jersey on for a reason. Chicago, Chi-Town, Chirac. What's up, man? If y'all don't know, that's where I was born at. I got family out there, so this pair means a lot to me, man. I was there when Jordan was doing this thing, baby. You got the box red in the inside, of course. You got the flight. Shut this down. Bear with me. Bear with me. It's coming, gang. It's coming, family. Bam! Let's hit you. Ooh, sheesh. Can I get a sheesh? That's my new thing. I think it's gonna be sheesh. Man, come on. You got the Nike on the back, flight on the tongue, classic Nike hang tag. It's like, I think it's the second Jordan silhouette when they came with the see-through, the AirPods. Shout out to Tinker. He's the one designed, this particular shoe. You see what I got on with it, right? Man, y'all leave a comment. Let me know which one of y'all holy grail. This is one of mine. Not one of my favorite silhouettes, but it's a Bred. It's a holy grail, so it's gonna go in the display box. Look, y'all let me know. You see the no photos, I'm gonna keep them in there. I got the classic 45s. I think I'm gonna wear the Gatorades here on 420. So I can wake the dead on the Gatorades. We're gonna put these in here. Or do y'all want me to wear the Breds on 420? Y'all leave a comment. Y'all want me to wear the Bred 4s, or y'all want me to take these Gatorades out, put the Bred 4s on ice. I'm gonna get another pair when they drop May 4th. You can believe that. Also leave a comment. Let me know your size. I'm gonna try to pull some strings and let another pair go for retail. Once I get my other pair secured, you know how your boy do. So leave a comment. Y'all drop your sizes, I stay giving back. When me and Maddie can, we gonna do it. Can't even hold you up, man. It's time to hit the wall. The wall now. All right, YouTube, Retro family, Retro gang. We on the wall. Size 12, my size. Retail for $200. Like $216 with tax. Still glad it came real quick. I ain't had to do no overnight shipping. Like I said, I'm in the city, so they're going to pull up on me real quick with these shoes, man. Tennessee right around the corner. You got the Nike on the back. Leave a comment. Let me know if this is your grill. If it's not your grill, let me know which pair is your grill out of the Jordan collection. See that tag, the Nike tag, and you got the bottom. You got this new buck. Suede material. Let's take this out here. See, Inside, she got red. Let me get this right, y'all. There we go. And the tunnel, of course, is going to be Air Jordan. Upside down. Man, I love this tag. Let's check the other one out. Take the shoe tree out. Pretty much, you know, it's the same. It's not going to be like one shoe is different from the other. Just showing you everything. Inside, you got the gray cloth, you know, cloth material, the gray. Of course, you got the flight again on the tongue. Laces, you got the net material here. That was, you know, one of the new innovations with this shoe. I think it's on the 3s tour. Is it on the 3s? If it's on the 3, y'all let me know. I don't want to be wrong. Don't call me out. This might have been on the 3 first. I know it's definitely on the 4. You know what? It's time to wait the dead, gang. Let's get right into it, fam. Let's wait the dead. Undead start these things. They sleep, Retro. Maddie said wait the dead. Let's get it. Nice crispy pal. Sleep, Retro. Wait the dead. Man, Undead start these things. It's nice outside. Show you what I'm rocking with. Lace these things on up. This is gonna classic pair of Levi's with the Jordan jersey. I was thinking about putting on the fatigue. I do a lot of fatigue. So I ain't want to kill y'all with the fatigue on this one.
All the haters, they drowning the drip. If you scuffle me, don't even trip. Back to the box and switch.
Nice. Fit true to size, family. They do fit true to size.
Don't get no better than this. Retro gang. Though they be the fam.
I'm gonna walk back. I don't want to walk back too far and fall in the pool. Had to do this one poolside. Like I say, family, it's nice outside here this Wednesday in Georgia. The 8th. If I ain't mistaken, my mom told me in Chicago the other day it snowed in the shot. Let's do this real quick, man. Let's walk this way. Tell me what you think. All right, man. Let's hit with your boy on foot. We're gonna take it back into the shoebox. Shoebox now. Yo, can you hear me now? YouTube, we back in the shoebox. Yo, check this out. Y'all do me a favor. To all my subscribers, my day one notification game, hit the bell. So when I come across your channel, your tube, your phone with this heat, you can get notified. I'm learning that everybody don't get notified right away. Everybody will notify you the next day, even though I put the video out on time. So look, do me a favor. Make sure your notification bell is on. If not, if you want me to send you if you email me your email and you DM me your email on IG, I'll make sure every time I go live on a video, I'm gonna email you so you won't miss none of this heat and content. You know what your boy and your girl Maddie say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Man, still a whole lot of gang. We like y'all, man. Matter of fact, we love y'all. Let's get it.